हम कहते हैं up to 10 years, up to 5 years, up to imprisonment or with fine. It means there is a room of discretion. But this act says the judiciary has no discretion, has to give minimum 10 years of punishment if the above act is been done. And the another aspect, if the child is below the age of 16 years, then the punishment is not less than 20 years. It means it is a very, very stringent law which has been implemented. Now, the another slide, if you see, that is related to all of you, and you know, all of you, and that is, you know, if you see the punishment, it is more than this, you know, in the previous aspect, minimum 20 and the imprisonment also. Now, there is a two type of act, the penetration and aggravated penetration. Almost same, penetration, touching the body. But what is the difference between the penetration and aggravated form? आप बता सकते हैं इसमें aggravated word जो जोड़ा वो क्यों जोड़ा? Why we have added aggravated? And I specifically said that it is belongs to you. Why? See, if you can see, there is two words: position of trust and authority, responsible for protection and care. Who we are? हम कौन हैं? हम टीचर्स हैं, हम सपोर्टिंग स्टाफ हैं. Why we are? We are here to give the authority of protection, authority of position, and our baseline duty is to give the care of child. जब भी हम अपने बच्चों को स्कूल में भेजते हैं तो हम ये इंश्योर करते हैं कि हमने एक ट्रस्ट के साथ आपके पास भेजा, बिकॉज यू आर द गार्डियन एंड यू आर द पैरामाउंट गार्डियन, आई वुड से. तो जब भी ऐसे लोग जो पुलिस में है, आर्म फोर्सेस में है, जेल स्टाफ है, रिमांड होम है, प्रोटेक्शन होम है, ऑब्जर्वेशन होम है, एंड स्टाफ ऑफ एजुकेशन इंस्टीट्यूट इज ऑल्सो एडेड हियर. इट मीन्स इफ सच पर्सन do any offense, then the punishment much higher. That is why it used the word aggravated penetration, because you are taking care of responsibility for protection and care. Now, this is the sexual harassment section 11. Now, that is the highly, reported offense here. And, because penetrative and aggravated penetrative assault is not or may not happen, or, at very less numbers may happen. But this is the highly used section in Education Institute, I would say. So, as I said, the utter any word, exhibit his body. मान लीजिए आपने कुछ नहीं कहा उसे, बट आप जा रहे हैं, आपकी शर्ट का बटन खुला है, या आपने जो है टी शर्ट्स पहनी है, राइट, एंड दी गर्ल्स आर कमिंग, गिव योर ऑब्जेक्ट, सेड आई नो, I mean, he is exhibiting his body, and it is, the expression is like, he is sexually arousing me. So that is the thing, whenever we are interacting with the children, and I would advise, be in a proper dress. One. Second, try to maintain the distance. Third, do not use, any loud voice. And, try to be interact with the children when they are in group. Do not try in isolation and all. So these are the small things which we, make in our daily practice, and we could avoid, this thing. And now, if you see, how to save ourselves, as we have discussed. Now, this is the another aspect which this act covers, that is the child pornography. And I was discussing with the Honorable Principal Ma'am, and we were talking about that, nowadays, I don't know whether we have allowed the mobile phone in the classroom or not. But, nowadays, the mobile is the medium to use the pornography. And, to say, as the Northeast courts are very, very vigilant and come up with many judgment wherein the people are, having sexual, relationship with their consents, and later on they say that it is the sexual abuse. So pornography जो है वो कोई भी ऐसा विजुअल कंटेंट किसी भी इलेक्ट्रॉनिक मीडियम पर या विदाउट इलेक्ट्रॉनिक मीडियम पर अगर हम किसी उसको यूज करते हैं विद द इंटेंशन ऑफ यूज द पोर्नोग्राफिक मटेरियल और पोर्नोग्राफी यूज इज फॉल्स अंडर दिस कैटेगरी. सो वी शुड आल्सो remember that we should not use our mobile phone in the classroom, or if they are using we should keep watch. Section 19 I have already discussed that mandatory reporting. If you are not fail to report, if you knowledge of the sexual abuse any children, there is a punishment for it. Then you were asking that what is the time we have to report, right? So the timeline is 24 hours. 24 hours. Yes.
Also, Act envisages that every institution should have a POCSO committee.
Yes.
Child abuse monitoring committee. And what is the role of POCSO committee? If the matter has to be reported immediately, then what is the role of POCSO committee?
See, POCSO committee is just to monitor and to prevent. See, if you see the legislative intent, as I said, we are not in favor of punishment. We are in prevention mode. That is why the Act says protection. The POCSO committee is meant for the protection. There should not be, as I said, whenever you are going, monitor, ask, resolve. So you should prevent the causes that it should not happen. That is why.
If offence is reported, commission of an offence is reported to the POCSO committee of the institution,
then it is not your role. Because whenever, see, you have to understand the philosophy of criminal justice system. See, if I don't know whether you, know or not. See, जब भी आप कोर्ट में जाते हैं, you have seen state versus so and so, murder, state versus so and so, right? Dakati, state versus so and so. But if there is a dispute between the property A and B, Ram versus Sham. So, but when you talk about the criminal justice system, it says the offence is not with the person. No, offence is against the state, and you will not fight in the court. The state responsibility. State is there. When the offence is there, then committee is out of the picture. Then the investigation agency, the judiciary will come into the picture, and then they will take care of. You are before. When you are monitoring body, you are preventive body. You have to, make the ecosystem around you and your school and around your children that such offense should not be there. That is the main intention to establish the committee. Now, what is the procedure? As I said, it is also important for you because you are dealing with it, that section 24 to 27, procedure for recording of the statement of child. See, if you have knowledge, or you come to into knowledge, first you have to talk with the victim, and you have to ask what happened, why happened, how happened, and you try to get the information as much as you can, and then report immediately to the juvenile justice to the police or juvenile unit, special units बनी है कुछ, so within 24 hours. Then thereafter they will record the statement, and thereafter the magistrate will record the statement under section 164. So that is the procedure. How the act says. Now you have to see the analysis of data, and I think you will shock to see that what is the position in India and around the world. If you see, between 20